Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Harry the Dirty Dog. Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked everything except getting a bath. So one day, when he heard the water running in the tub, he buried it in the backyard, and then he ran away from home. He played where they were fixing the street. He got very dirty. He played at the railroad and got even dirtier. He played tag with other dogs and became dirtier still. He slid down a coal chute and got the dirtiest of all. In fact, he changed from white dog with black spots to a black dog with white spots. Although there were many other things to do, Harry began to wonder if his family thought that he had really run away. He felt tired and hungry too, so without stopping on the way, he ran back home. When Harry got to his house, he crawled through the fence and sat looking at the back door. One of the family looked out and said, "There's a strange dog in our backyard. By the way, has anyone seen Harry?" When Harry heard this, he tried very hard to show them he was Harry. He started to do his old clever tricks. He flip-flopped, he flop-flipped, and he rolled over and played dead. He danced and sang. He did these tricks over and over again, but everyone shook their heads and said, "Oh no, it couldn't be Harry." Harry gave up and walked slowly toward the gate, but suddenly stopped. He ran to the corner of the garden. He started to dig furiously. Soon he jumped away from the house, barking short, happy barks. He'd found the scrubbing brush and carrying it in his mouth. Up the stairs he dashed without the family following close behind. He jumped into the bathtub and sat up begging with the scrubbing brush in his mouth, a trick he certainly had never done before. "This little doggy wants a bath," cried the little girl, and her father said, "Why don't you and your brother give him one?" Harry's bath was the soapiest one he'd ever had. It worked like magic. As soon as the children started to scrub, they began shouting, "Mommy, Daddy, look, look, come quick!" "It's Harry, it's Harry, it's Harry," they cried. Harry wagged his tail. He was very, very happy. His family combed and brushed him lovingly, and he became once again a white dog with black spots. It was wonderful to be home after dinner. Harry fell asleep in his favorite place, happily dreaming of how much fun it had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly. He didn't even feel like scrubbing brush. He didn't even feel the scrubbing brush he'd hidden under his pillow. Yeah, I can see it. I could see it's under his table. So now I'm going to be doing a quiz. Start the quiz. Can you ace this quiz? Start the quiz. Who is the main character? Harry. Correct. What did Harry not want to do in the beginning of the book? Take a bath. Correct. What did Harry bury in the backyard? A brush. Correct. When Harry runs away from home, it gets dirty? Yep, correct. At the end of the story, where did Harry end up at? I'm get home? Correct. I get all the questions correct. 100%. You correctly answered 5 out of 5. Nice work. You're a superstar. And then there's like 4 fingers, which is a bunny. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!